All right, guys, so I had to come back and share this with you guys. Remember, I showed this box in a haul and I shared that I wanted to put these different candies inside of them for the holidays. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I got this sitting on my dining room table. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the candies in it and how it looks on the dining room table, or maybe I should put it on the living room table, or maybe I should put it on the island. I don't know. Let's see. All right. So, look at that. You just grab it and grab you some candy and shut it back. I love it. I think it's so cute. What do you think? I think this is just too cute. Too freaking cute. Like, oh, there's some candy. Grab some candy and close it back up. And no one knows what it is. It just sit right here on the table. What do you think? You think it's cute? I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. I really do. I think this is really neat for the price and something that I can keep over the years. I really like it. It can even sit up like this. It doesn't even have to lay flat, you know? Just lay it down and grab you some candy. I'm gonna put some more candies in here because it does have space. Look, space to put more. So yeah, that's my holiday candy box. Cute find at Goodwill. Cute find at Goodwill. I like it a lot. All right, guys. See you in the next video. And happy holidays.